Hey guys, as promised, I'm gonna show you how I do my African threading using plastic strings or craft strings. So all you're gonna need is a pair of scissors and the actual string. I got mine from Walmart. So here I already started on the back sections, and I am going to show you how they look. And that one I did too tight, so you don't want to do that or else it's gonna pull on your edges, so I had to redo that one. So as you can see the difference with my hair all stretched out. Alright, so I'm gonna show you the length of the string that I'm using. Alright, and then we're just gonna start on the first one. So you want the roots to be loose so you can move them around, or else it's going to be way too tight. So you're going to place the string on top of your twist or your hair loose, however you choose to do it. And then you're just going to wrap as tightly as you can around the base to make sure it's secure. So you're just gonna keep wrapping it around as tightly as possible to get the most stretch or the maximum stretch out of your twist. Okay, so I'm gonna show you two different ways that I do it. Here's one way I do it, like I'm doing 2-strand twists, and that's kind of easier on my hands. And here's the other way I do it, by using my thumb to kind of guide the string around my hair. Now this one causes my hand to hurt like really bad, but it's, I don't know, whichever is easier for you. See the entire thing, it doesn't have to be like completely uniform, it doesn't matter. You can leave more space or less space or no space, it's completely up to you. Alright, so when you get to the end of your twist or your loose hair, what I do is I go back up just a little bit. To secure the end of the string, you're gonna make a few knots. So I made 3 on all of mine. Just make a loop and put the string through, and that should keep everything in place. If you try to make those knots at the end of your hair, it might not stay. That's another reason why I chose to wrap it back up the twist again to tie it on my hair. And that's it. So as you can see, I'm free to move it around as much as I can, or as much as I want. I'm going to show you again how I loop it to tie it on my hair. it another time. You know, just keep tying it so everything stays in place. And that is it. I'll see you guys in part 2.